Kiwi House in Ōtorohanga has been breeding captive wildlife for 40 years, and we're particularly known for our captive breeding program for kiwi, particularly brown kiwi. There's at least 20 people involved in holding brown kiwi nationwide. There's somebody whose job it is to actually work out which kiwi should be boyfriend and girlfriend, and just means we can put kiwi back into the wild that we know are genetically diverse. We've had over 150 brown kiwi that we've hatched and raised to adulthood here, and each kiwi chick is an absolute bundle of feathery goodness. That's just such a delight when they're hatched. So that's our primary business, but we're involved in a whole lot of other nationwide captive breeding programs. We breed for advocacy and education. We also breed for particular release programs, so breeding to increase the populations in the wild. Right now we've got 11 brown teal we want to release to the wild. So they're about to be crated and sent down by plane to Christchurch, and from there they'll get the equivalent of brown teal or Pātiki boot camp, where they get prepared to go out and be real brown teal in the wild. In the past we've released tuatara to places like Maungatautari, which is just awesome to see tuatara back in predator controlled areas in the region. Our 1-year-old Kia has been a joy for the last year. He is like a toddler on sugar. He is all over the show. He's consistently tackling mum for fun, or he's takes his toys and rips them open. He'll go and show them to the kaka who live next door, and then when he's really bored with them, he'll chuck them in the pond and see what happens to them. So, you know, he's a hoot. So the whole park's been predator proofed since December. We can create a healthier environment for our breeding stock and obviously take away any risk to them from introduced mammals like possums getting at the eggs. Sounds a bit sick, but one of my favourite pastimes is coming in, checking the fence at night, and you'll see mice going up and down in the hood and they can't get in. It's deeply satisfying for me.